Assalamu alaikum boys. In this last class we have done exercise 3C. Now we are going to solve exercise 3D. So before going to solve exercise 3D, we have to know some terminologies like determinant, minor of an element, or factor of an element, and then property of determinant. So after these all things, we are going to solve determinant exercise 3D. Okay, so let's see what the determinant is. Deter Determinant. So determinant. Let's suppose I have a suppose simultaneous equation. I have a two simultaneous equation ax plus b1 y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So in this simultaneous equation, the value a1 b2 and minus a2 b1, these value it's called determinant. Determinant. Why this is called determinant? Determinant. Okay. So in earlier classes we have studied that this value will going to be have some value. It cannot it will it it is not going to be zero. So this term, it is it can be determined. It can be determined. It can be determined. It can be determined. So यहाँ से जो है इसका नाम जो है डिटर्मिनेंट पड़ गया. ओके. सो ओके. Determinant. Suppose if these two equation, if these two simultaneous equation matrix will be x, y, and is equal to c1, c2, right? So normally this matrix, it's called variable matrix. Sorry, it's called coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix, and this matrix is called variable matrix. Variable matrix, and this matrix is called constant matrix. Constant matrix. Okay. So what we have done here, we just we change the simultaneous equation into matrix form. So when we converted into matrix form, there will be three matrix: coefficient matrix, variable matrix, constant matrix. Okay. So matrix representation of matrix, these matrix representation of matrix representation of given equation is ax is equal to d, where x is called coefficient matrix, X is called variable matrix, and D is called constant matrix. Okay. Okay. Note down this thing. Now we are going to see the minor of element. Minors of minors of okay. What is the minors of element? Consider uh, consider a 3 by 3 square matrix. 3 by 3 square matrix. Suppose I have a 3 by 3 matrix A1, B1, C1, okay, A2, B2, C2, and here A3, B3, C3. Okay. So consider a 3 by 3 square matrix. So minor of an element, minor of element in this matrix, the minor of element in this matrix, means this matrix, in this matrix can be obtained by deleting rows and column at which element is presented. Okay. So minor of element is nothing but we have to consider a 3 by 3 square matrix. So here I have a 3 by 3 square matrix, and the minor of element in this matrix can be obtained 2 by 2 2 by 2 2 by 2 matrix of determinant by deleting row and column at which element is presented. Okay. So here, for example, if I want to know the minor of element of A1, I want to know minor of element A1. So I want to know minor of element A1. So minor, sometime it can be represented M11. So here 1 means respective rows and the second one means respective column. So here according to the definition, the minor of element can be obtained 2 by 2 matrix of determinant by deleting row and column at which element is presented. So here A present here. So by deleting row and column where element is present. So element presented here, and I deleted along the row and along the column. So the rest of part with determinant is called minor of element. So here I will have the rest of part with determinant, and determinant can be represented by two vertical lines. It can be represented as determinant can be represented as okay by two vertical line. So The rest of part with determinant 2, C2, B3, C3. So this part is called minor of element. Okay, minor of element. Now, for example, if I would like to take this, I want to find B2, minor of B2. So minor of B2. See, element is presented here. Element is presented here. Now delete the row and column along with the B2. So I will delete these second column and second row. The rest of part A1, AC, A3, C3 will be our minor with determinant. So with determinant, I will have A1, C1 and A3, C3. Similarly, you can find 9 minor of element. Okay. So this was the minor of element. Okay. Now, after minor of element, cofactor of element. Cofactor of element. Okay. The cofactor of element, let's write the definition. The cofactor of an element is defined element, sorry, element in the ith row and jth column, ith row and jth column of 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix is multiplied by minus 1 I plus j. Cofactor of element is nothing but we have to multiply these term with the minor. So if we are multiplying with the respective minor, then we will get the respective cofactor of element. Suppose if I want to find cofactor of A1, okay, for example, cofactor of A1, cofactor of A1 is nothing but I have to multiply these two with A1 minors. Okay, so here I will have 1. So here see at the 1 element 1, the respective column and respective row will be 1 1. So here the respective column it is 1 and respective row is 1, and the minor of A1 is nothing but B2 and C2, B3, C3. Okay, so see here this will be minus 1 square, and if I want to change into equation, so how can I will get this will be multiply this and this will be multiply this. So here B2 C3 minus B3 C2. Okay. So here minus 1 square is equal to 1 because minus 1 multiply minus 1 will be 1, positive 1. So here this will be 1 B2 C3 minus B3 C2. So 1 means nothing. Okay, it will not going to change anything. So this will be 2 3 B3 C3. So here in minus I can write B2 C3 C2 B3. Okay, here also A1 C3 C1 A3. This is the minor. So whenever we are multiplying with minors with this term or with this equation, not equation, this term minus 1 I plus j, I is nothing but respective rows and j means respective column. Okay, so we will get cofactor. Okay, so here you can also cofactor, sometimes cofactor represented capital A. Okay, so here cofactor of A1 it can be represented as A11. Okay, so you can find 9 cofactor of element. So here as you can find 9 minus of element and you can find 9 cofactor of element. Okay, okay. Now the definition of determinant. What the definition of determinant? After minor of an element, cofactor of an element, the determinant. So the definition of determinant, the sum of the product of element, sum of the product of the element, element of first row with their corresponding cofactor of first row with their corresponding cofactor with their corresponding cofactor is called determinant. Called determinant. So here you can see the definition of determinant that we are going to learn. So determinant is nothing but the sum of product of the element of first row with their corresponding cofactor is called determinant. So minor is connected with cofactor and cofactor connected with determinant. Determinant. So these all three things are connected to each other. Okay. Now let's take some example. Before that, before taking an example, I would like to tell you the procedure or to find how to find determinants when the matrix is 2 by 2 and when it is 3 by 3 and when it is 4 by 4. Okay, so here we are going to see the procedure to solve to find the determinant. Okay, before that take a screenshot or take a notes. Okay. Okay. So I believe that you are getting what I am trying to convey information. Okay. Calculating the determinants. Calculation. So calculation. Okay. Calculation for 2 by 2 matrix. For 2 by 2 matrix. Suppose a matrix is given by 2 by 2 matrix. A matrix is given 2 by 2 matrix. I have a matrix A that is 2 by 2. The order is 2 by 2. So if I have an element A, B, C, D, I have an element A, B, C, D. So in this case, in this case, to determine the determinant, so just we need to multiply with crossly, or we need to multiply in a cross way. Suppose I'm I'm taking two different color chalk. By this color, you will be understand more easily, and you will not forget the like you will not forget. Suppose sometimes some students are confused in in this matrix. If we want to know the determinant, so just we need to multiply in a cross way. Okay, so first let red red is negative. Always red denote red red denotes negative, and blue means blue means positive. So remember this thing, whenever you will have 2 by 2 matrix, and then you need to find determinant, and determinant can be represented with two vertical lines. So determinant will be, so first you have to take blue one. Okay, so blue one means you have to multiply with A into D, then red one will be minus. Okay, so here minus into D into C. So this is the procedure to find determinant in case of we have 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. uh, okay, for 3 by 3 matrix, for 3 by 3 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. So suppose I have a matrix that is 3 by 3, 3 by 3, A, B, C, and let's suppose D, E, F, G, H, I. I have a 3 by 3 matrix and here 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So I have a 3 by 3 matrix. So in this case, if I want to know the determinant, so the determinant will be A, A with the minor of A1. Minor of A1 means A into I minus H into F, then minus B into D into I minus G into F, then plus C into D into H minus G into E. This is the uh, this is the way to find the determinant in case of 3 by 3 matrix. So let's see closely here. Suppose I have a 3 by 3 matrix. So determinant A can be determinant minus plus. Okay. Suppose here in first row, I had a 3 elements A, B, C. So here I have a B, and C. So I just need to multiply. I just need to multiply these three terms with the minus of corresponding elements. Okay. So here I had a minor of E, F, and H, I, and here I will have D, G, and here I will have F, I, F, I, and here I will have a minor E, F, H, I. So in case of 3 by 3 matrix, I need to multiply A with the minor of A1 and B with minor of B1 and C with minor of C1. So whenever we are multiplying these terms, so we are getting determinant in terms of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. So this is the procedure to find the determinant. In case of let's 4 4 by 4 matrix, 4 by 4 matrix, 4 by 4 matrix. Okay. In 4 by 4 matrix, what I have to do? I have to multiply A with A1 minus, B B1 minus, and C with C1 minus, and D with D1 minus. Okay. Let's look here. Suppose I have a uh, suppose I have a 4 by 4 matrix. I have a 4 by 4 matrix here. I'm not going to write, this is long. So just uh, we need some space here. That's why I'm not going to write the 4 by 4 matrix. So here the determinant will be A1 will be multiplied by A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay. So now here we are not taking these element, just we are multiplying the first element with the minor of A1 or with the minor of A. Okay. Okay. Now minus we will multiply B with here the 3 by 3 determinant matrix of determinant. So this will be also 3 by 3 matrix A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, it can be determinant, not matrix. Okay, then we will take plus. Then again C with here also this will be 3 by 3 matrix, and again minus we will take last D, and here will be 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so as the number increases 4 by 4, 5 by 5, so just we need to multiply with the first rows with first rows minus, then we will get the determinants. Okay, just note down everything. And now after this we are going to solve some basic question. Okay, example 1, find the determinant of A. Find the determinant of A. A is 1 minus 1 minus 3 1. Okay, so here let's get the solution. So here the solution will be given a matrix is 1 minus 1 minus 3 1. Okay, so now for finding the determinant in case of 2 by 2 matrix, just we need to multiply in a cross way. So here what I suggested red and blue. Okay, so whenever these in a cross way, so blue will be positive and red will be negative. Okay, so the determinant of A is A into 1 into 1 minus 3 into minus 1. So 1 into 1 will be 1 minus 3 into minus 1 will be 3. So 1 minus 3 will be minus 2. The determinant of A is minus 2. Okay, let's have, this is the very basic question. Second question is, it is an example question, huh? Not exercise question. Find the minor of minus 1 and 3. Find the minors of -1 and 3 in A matrix 2 -1 4 0 -2 5 and -3 1 3. Okay, so we need to find minus of -1 and minus of 3. Okay, so here let's get the solution. This is very basic question. So the given matrix is 2 -1 4 0 -2 5 and -3 1 3. Okay, so here I need to find minor of -1. So here -1 is here. So according to the definition, as per the definition, what we have learned in definition, we can obtain 2 by 2 matrix in 3 by 3 matrix. We can obtain minor of an element 2 by 2 matrix of determinant by deleting rows and column at the element is presented. Okay, so if element is present here, so if I will delete this column and this row, so the rest of part with determinant is called minor of element. So here I will get 0 5 -3 +3. Okay, so this can be multiplied in this cross way. So first we need to take the blue ones, and blue one will be in a anti-clockwise. So here first I am going to take 0 into 3, then minus again 3 into 5. Okay, so here 0 into 3 0 minus 3 into 5 -15, then minus will be positive. So here 15. So minor of -1 will be 50. 15, sorry. Okay, now similarly you can find minor of 3. So here 3 is here, element is presented here, so I have to delete the respective column and respective row. So if I will delete this and I will delete this, so the rest of part with determinant is called minor. So minor of 3 is equal to 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 0 minus 2. Okay, see, I have a two ray, not row, two ray. The first row is in anti-clockwise, the second row is in a clockwise. So I will take first that row that is in anti-clockwise. So I will take 2 minus 2 minus -1 into 0. Okay, so 0 into -1 will be 0, then 2 into -2, then 2 into -2 will be -4. The minor of 3, the minor of 3 will be -4. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, let's see the next question. Find the cofactor of 2 minus 5. Question number 3. Find cofactor. Find cofactor 2 comma -5 in matrix A is equal to minus 105 minus 105 and 1 2 minus 2 and minus 4 minus 5 3. So this is the matrix and we need to find cofactor of 2 and minus 5. So let's get the solution. The solution is, in solution, the given matrix is minus 1 0 5 1 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 5 3. Okay, so cofactor is nothing but, in cofactor we are multiplying minus 1 power I plus j, where I is respective rows and j means respective column. Okay, so with we are multiplying this term with the corresponding minors. Okay, so this is nothing but cofactor. So cofactor of 2, so 2 is here. Okay, so cofactor of 2 is nothing but, so what is the respective rows and column? Respective rows is 2 and respective column is 2. So here minus 1, the respective rows is 2 and respective column is 2. Okay, now the minor of 2, we need minor of 2. So for finding minor of 2, we need to delete this column and this row. So the respect element will be minor with determinant. Okay, so minus 1 5 minus 4 and 3. Okay, so here minus 1 power 4. So minus 1 power 4 means the power is even, that will be minus 1 will going to change into positive. So here it will be, and here the minus the determinants here 2 by 2 determinant. So for solving 2 by 2 determinants, we just need to multiply in a cross way. Okay, so minus 1 into 3 minus minus 4 into 5. Okay, so here this will be 1 and minus 1 into 3 minus 3 and minus 4 into 5 minus 4 into 5 minus 20. This minus will be positive. This minus will be positive. So I will have okay. Similarly, you can find a factor of minus 5. Okay, so my time is got over. So for today, it is enough to learn. Now the rest of part we are going to learn in next class. So for now, see you in next class. Take care yourself.